Well, welcome back to fifth and final installment of How It Started, How It Ended, How to Elevate Your Home. My name is Shantae Levette. I'm the Southern Girl. I'm sharing with you father and husband who lost his wife and now has to raise a young son. For the last 4 years, their house has been in a frozen state. How do you move on after you've suffered such a great loss? A lot of people will become ashamed of their homes, of what it has become, because they have deferred maintenance, because it seems like it's messy, because they've been depressed, sad, upset, angry, mad. Why me? All of these things that are on the inside now show on the outside in your home. And that's why I'm here as an interior designer. It is my job and my duty to get your home out of the ICU and bring life back into your space. So, with that being said, it's time for the big reveal. It's late, and I just finished my install, but it's nothing like the first reaction. And yes, we still have to change this paneling. Come in. Is it locked? Who's first? Oh, Tess, that's right. Come on in. Welcome home.
Wow. Oh my God.
Come on in.
Oh my God.
It's so dark, I can't even see y'all.
Because the light works.
Yeah.
You don't hear it cry, Tess. This way it's supposed to do, Tess. So it's like, that's how they do on the TV show. Oh my God. It smell brand new down here. Well, shit, I don't know how it smelled before, so it smell like a new place.
Oh, wait a minute.
I like
No,
that.
Look
Yeah.
at
I like the pictures. Okay.
Keep on going. Look in the bathroom. Look in the bathroom.
There's a light on, Tess.
No, right?
Holy shit. Wow. Oh, that accent piece looks fantastic. Goodness. Wow,
Tess showing a whole lot of emotion right now.
I don't know what to say right now, man. Let me check this, make sure this is my house. Hold on.
Oh, my goodness. This is, I didn't get to the film on the door, but we're going to get to that.
Like the bathroom I came in last time, we was under the stove.
Got Liam's pictures. Liam picked the light fixture. It looks really good. Tess, I did change out the light bulbs to 60 watts so it wouldn't be so bright.
Okay.
And so come on, let's go upstairs. Come on, Tess. You gotta make your way upstairs.
I don't know what to say, Shantae. This is beyond my wildest dreams.
Go ahead and drop a tear, man. We ain't gonna say that.
All right, so look, I just want to let y'all know y'all gotta take your shoes off before we go upstairs.
I
Yes.
got holes in my socks.
You know what? This is new carpet, and we put this new runner on the stairs. And and look right here, guys. We did this as well. We got the shoe closet and the coat closet going on.
Okay.
All right.
Wow. You right. I might shed some tears here, girl. This is beyond anything I would even imagine.
These pieces up here, and now
So this
Beautiful.
is new carpet.
this new carpet.
Nice and plush.
Now I want you to walk into your bedroom, to the primary.
I'm nervous.
You nervous?
It's your house, man.
You nervous? Oh, we did do a new light fixture here, up here. Oh yeah, so we could get more
Close
light.
light, okay.
Yeah. Needed a little bright.
Trey's seen it before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's seen the man.
All right. Go ahead.
Oh, is all this new too? Damn.
Yeah, everything down here is new. New doorknobs. We painted the walls and the trim. Alabaster. We put this new piece up, and we put this piece up and changed out the light.
It's like a brand new apartment.
This is the fourth bedroom that I had built a while back.
Yeah.
Well,
This
come
is
on.
sir. Come on, cause come on. Now, this-
I'm not in shock and awe already.
This is a representation of a masculine space and a person who is living, your age.
Is
This
that new too? The light.
The light fixture is new.
Because I only had
I
a
like that.
Yeah.
You had the standard.
Right.
Standard, yes.
All right. Here we go. Okay. Oh, Tess. Oh, look.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Right in that for it. Hey, you and Adam can make a lot of work in here now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, that's nice. You got your little sitting area. That's nice.
Oh, that's real.
Tess ain't leaving this room, bro. Nah, he ain't. I would.
So now I'm painting
You
the
got the light over the headboard, bro.
Yeah.
This is
HDTV.
This is way beyond amazing. This is beyond anything I could even. This is.
We're gonna cut this light on so we can see better. Here we go.
Tess, come on, bro. This is your room. Go ahead and explore.
Got me a little.
There we go.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
You did your thing. I must admit. I like to put you with the little.
I'm so
with the little sconce light.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I like the planter thing.
Yeah, that's good.
I like that.
Yeah. So.
I'm not sleeping in this room ever.
So let's say what we did in this room. We know that we got the new carpet. He does.
Really nice. I'm leaving this as a showroom, going to the back room, sleeping in the back room.
So
bed too, right?
A new bed.
Well, yeah.
This is
mattress,
not
the original mattress I had before.
But yeah, this.
But the headboard and
This is cool. This.
I like the light.
Picked this one up from Ashley's.
And so Tess is really a tech guy. And so what I did was I added these to your nightstand. So now you have you got your outlets and your USB ports. You got lamps. Look, because I've been sweating. And this right here is actually your winter bedding. So when you're ready to switch out, you can switch out. This is a lightweight comforter.
You gotta come teach me.
I will. I'll teach you.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, are you serious? You ain't used to this thing.
Yeah. Over here, he also said that he needed a place to sit, so I gave you an extra little seat to sit down if you want to put your shoes on. And then he requested a swivel chair. Come on over here, Tess.
So what you do, Tess, like when you come home to work, like all the lamps gonna be off together. Leave one light
Thank you.
on.
And I know you were saying that sometimes when you are sitting in your chair, you want it. So I got you a nice, beautiful little table. It's pretty heavy. Everything we picked, I like to pick quality things.
I'm not sleeping in this room, you know that.
You're not. Let me get the camera up. You're not. Okay, so let me show y'all the mood, how he can set the mood. Let's cut this light off. Cut that lamp off and cut that lamp off. No, it's not a clap on.
Yeah, see? Boom.
There we go.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's it.
Remember when I was telling you about lighting tests? And if you want.
See, when you leave to go to work, leave that light on. Remember to blow out the candle, though. You know,
yeah.
So no fire.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You come back home, boy.
It is really, really sexy in here right now.
It's nice. I can't believe it.
After like, it's like a hotel room.
Let's make a baby. Y'all are funny.
I like the ceiling fan too.
Yeah. Yeah, and the fan, I mean, it has 3 modes like that.
I'm
like
noticing more than you noticing. Come on, bro. Open your eyes, bro. Open them up. Get the water out your eyes. Come on.
Man.
So, and you have coasters. We did put a glass top to protect your tables. They have bumpers. We got your coaster. If you do have something up here to drink, catch all for, a little knick-knack, patty wax.
Bet you won't be smoking those cigars in here.
You got your full-length mirror, so if you needed to, it was too heavy to mount. I wanted to mount it, but you can still see yourself. Just move your ottoman. If you want to put your feet up, you got an ottoman to put your feet up. Right. And we haven't mounted your remotes, but this is the remote to that, and this is to the fan. But we'll get those mounted. Here I am. Look, tired. So, got new drapes. Now, does all the color washing on the ceiling make sense?
About the color, it's nice and earth tone. This room is nice and earth tone
because this was all white up here, and then it was like.
No, most men like this earth tone.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And so he was.
I understand the washing now.
Now he was like, you're gonna paint the ceiling, and I was like, yeah, as well as the doors. Look, we caught the doors, all the doors and the trim as well. This is the only one they missed.
Was that the closet?
No, that's the bathroom.
Master bath. What's up?
Yeah, so we just we color washed
I like
everything.
the color. I really like the color.
All right.
I don't know what to say.
What did I tell you to call me?
Master Chief.
The truth.
The truth. She
The
said
truth. That's it.
I told her that she's gonna be a magician, and she pulled out this is a hocus pocus magician. I mean, I just can't. I'm in shock and awe right now. I don't even know what to say. This is just.
I'm so. Let me step back some.
I wish my late wife could see that. Oh man, she would have been in. She'd have been crying.
Oh.
She would have been crying.
Come on, step on into the light, sir.
She would have loved.
Yeah, I seen that.
Me and Tess fought over that piece. Tell them that we. Tess, tell them we fought over.
I didn't know like this.
This is a technical abstract.
Abstract, right?
Yeah, technical.
Yeah.
But and it's gonna have a light above it too. I was just
a
missing a
surprise piece. I didn't pick this one out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah,
We got one more. It's going downstairs. So right now, Tess, this is your phase one. This is good life. We would say about phase one, we really did accomplish a lot. We got the foyer, the staircase. We did the powder bath. We did the primary. And then we did a small little kiss to the kitchen, a touch to the kitchen. So I am.
I don't know. I just no words. This is magnificent.
Oh. Well, I appreciate you using Southern Girl Interiors. I appreciate you using Reggie.
Yes.
Reggie Painting Incorporation, and we just thank you so much for letting us into your home.
Absolutely.
And today is his birthday.
Thank you. That's what I said.
Happy birthday.
Well, it's past 12, so.
Happy belated birthday.
Thank you very much.
If you know someone, or if it's yourself that is suffering from grief or loss, pain, and your home is reflecting all of that grief, loss, and pain, there are so many options to help you. You can hire an interior designer to come in. Hopefully you'll hire one that really understands where you are, what needs to be done to your home to help you move forward. I will leave some links to things that will help with mental health through therapy. Please leave a comment down below if you've experienced this. Please leave a comment if this is you. Please leave a comment if you know someone else who has experienced this as well. And loss just doesn't have to be a person, be a loss of a job, because we all deal with loss in different ways. What did you do to move forward so that you're not just stuck and frozen in time? And a lot of people say, get rid of it helps you move on. That's not necessarily true. But I like to work with things that was sentimental to that person, but also sentimental to you. Stay to the end of the video. You might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And follow me on all of my social media platforms. Everything is under Southern Girl Interiors. I also have a website, www.southerngirlinteriors.com. Go over there and check out our website. We do have more projects to show you. I hope you enjoyed this series. And until the next video.